Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make German potato salad, step by step. This classic dish is known for its tangy, savory flavor profile, a delightful contrast to creamy American versions. We will focus on using waxy potatoes, a warm vinegar-based dressing, and the essential addition of crispy bacon. Get ready to create a delicious and authentic side dish that is perfect for any gathering, offering a unique taste experience. First, let's prepare our foundation. The potatoes. Choose about 2 pounds of waxy varieties like Yukon Gold or red potatoes, as they hold their shape well. Boil them in their skins until fork tender, which usually takes around 20 minutes. Once cooked, peel them while still warm and slice them into uniform 1/4 inch rounds. Seasoning them immediately ensures they soak up all the wonderful flavors we will add later. Now for the heart of our German potato salad, the warm dressing. Begin by cooking 6 slices of bacon until perfectly crispy, then set them aside. In the remaining 2 tablespoons of bacon fat, sauté 1 small, finely diced onion until translucent. Next, whisk together 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer. With our potatoes sliced and dressing ready, it is time to bring everything together. Carefully pour the warm, tangy dressing over your prepared potato slices. Gently toss the mixture, ensuring every piece is beautifully coated. Crumble the crispy bacon over the salad and sprinkle with fresh herbs like chives or parsley for a vibrant finish. This salad is best served warm or at room temperature, allowing its rich flavors to truly shine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.